So, you know, brother's tired and everything. Trying to, you know, board and all that. I left my thing open on my car, windshield wipers. So I figured I cover it up, and at the same time while I'm doing that, I'll show you guys how bad it is outside. Just gotta lock up the door, you know, because it's just unsafe out there. Now, but for real though, it's crazy. It's like snow everywhere, storm, you know. So we just gonna handle what we gotta handle, just so I can give you a little insight on how bad it is out there. Just going down the steps, you know. Ooh-wee. Yeah, it's that serious. Damn, I don't even want my high touch to get damaged up. Oh well, I always got another one. Wow. It is bad. Real bad. Kind of second guessing this now. Who am I lying? My car, that's my thing right there. Can't be moving around. I can't be going nowhere without it. I won't be driving out there though. Alright, I guess we're about to bear this down and try to do it. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Yo. My foot is like dug into it. Ooh wee. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. Oh man, this snow is up there. Oh well, let's go. We, you know, I gotta hold my boots. I'm crazy. And this is the snow. You know? Damn. Look how deep that shit is though. Ooh-wee. Oh. Can't be damaging the phone, you know? Oh wow. This is not no joke. Alright. That's the guys out there. That's how bad it is now. I don't know which car is mine. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, this is nuts. This is nuts. In the blizzard. This is Joey Shot. Signing out.